In today's lecture, I would like to tell you about the types of fraction. Types of fraction. We have proper fraction, okay. What is proper fraction? Let's take an example. 6/9. Why we call this is a proper fraction? Why we call it a proper fraction? Only because here we see that at the numerator side we have 6 and on the denominator side we have 9. Okay. So on the numerator side we have 6 and the denominator side we have 9. It means that here 6 is less than 9. It is smaller than the denominator. Okay. So when the fraction is in a condition, is in a situation that the numerator is less than the denominator, then such a fraction is called the proper fraction. We can also write it as 6 is less than 9. Symbolically we can write it as 6 is less than 9. So 6/9 is called a proper fraction. Okay. So what is proper fraction? Proper fraction is that fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Clear? Okay, let's going on to the next. We have improper fraction. Number 2 is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Let's take an example. That is 7/3, or we can read it as 7/3. Right here the numerator is 7 and 3 is the denominator. So 7/3 numerator side and denominator is on and 3 is on the denominator side, right? So such a fraction, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, then this fraction is called the improper fraction. We can symbolically write it as 7 is greater than 3. Okay, so it means that when the numerator is greater than the denominator, such a fraction is called improper fraction. Clear? Okay, so what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is that fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Just as we have taken an example of 7/3. So let's take another example of the improper fraction. That is 9/7. So here 9/7 is also an improper fraction. Why we call it it's an improper fraction? Only because that the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? You know this is numerator and this is denominator. So such a fraction is called the improper fraction. Clear? Okay, let's take another type of fraction. we have another type of fraction which is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, what is this fraction? Let's take an example. 3 whole 5 upon 2. When the fraction is in this form, so such a fraction is called a mixed fraction. We can read it as 3 whole 5 upon 2. So this is a whole number and this 5 upon 2 is a fraction. This 5 upon 2 is a fraction. Clear? So when the fraction is in this form, that is 3 whole 5 upon 2. So such a fraction when there is a whole number, when there is a whole number as well as a fraction, so such a fraction is called the mixed fraction, right? So 3 whole 5 upon 7 is a mixed fraction. We can also take another example of the mixed fraction as 7 whole 2 upon 3. It can be read as 7 whole 2 upon 3. So this is also called a mixed fraction because there is a whole number and a fraction is given. Let's take another example, that is 1 whole 3 upon 9. It's also a mixed fraction. So we can take many examples like that. So this is the form of the mixed fraction. There is in the mixed fraction we see a whole number and a fraction also. Just as we are seeing it here that it's a whole number. What is whole number here? 3, and the fraction is 5.2. And in this mixed fraction, what is the whole number? The whole number is 7 and the fraction is 2 upon 3. This is a whole number. And here in this mixed fraction, 1 is a whole number and the fraction is 3 upon 9. So such a form of a fraction is called a mixed fraction. Now I would like to tell you about the conversion of the fraction, how the fractions are converted into each other. So let's take an example of the improper fraction. First of all, that is we have 9 upon 2. What that fraction is called? That fraction is called an improper fraction, because in the improper fraction, just as I told that the numerator is greater than the denominator. So here the same situation is there, that the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is called the improper fraction. So if we want to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, so how can we convert it? We have to divide it with a simple method of division, that is 9 is divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, into mixed fraction. So how can we convert it? We have to divide it with a simple method of division, that is 9 is divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder. So we can write it as 4 whole 1 upon 2. So where there is a whole number and a fraction, so such a fraction is called the mixed fraction. So this improper fraction we have converted it into a mixed fraction. Okay, so let's take another example, that is number 2. 15 upon 4. So you know that it's also an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. When we convert it into, if you want to convert it into mixed fraction, so how can we do it? We can do it by dividing 15 by 4 with a simple method of division. That is 15 is divided by 4. 4 3 is 12, so the remainder is 3. It means that if we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, it can be written as 3 whole 3 upon 4. So 3 whole 3 upon 4. So this fraction, when such a form is called a mixed fraction, and this is an improper fraction. So we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So this is a conversion of the improper fraction into a mixed fractions. Okay, but if you want to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction, how can we do it? Let's take an example for that. Conversion from mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Let's take 2 whole 3 upon 4. So you know this is a mixed fraction, right? So how can we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction? So the method is very simple. First you write 2 whole 3 upon 4. How can you do it? You have to multiply this denominator by this number, that is 4 to the 8. So the 8 plus 3, we will add this 3 to the result of this product. Okay, so 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, it becomes 11, and the denominator will remain the same. Converted this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 11 upon 4 is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator here. So let's take another example, that is 6 whole 5 upon 3. This is also a mixed fraction, you know. We can read it as 6 whole 5 upon 3. It's a whole number, it's a fraction. If we want to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, how can we do it? The method is simple, that is, first you have to write the same fraction, that is, we have to multiply 3 by 6. So first we have to multiply these two numbers. Numerators multiply the whole number, that is 3 6 are 18. So in 18 we will plus 5. 18 plus 5 becomes 23. So it means that 23 upon 3. Denominator will remain the same. So this is the, you know that this is the improper mixed fraction that we converted into an improper fraction. So this is the method for conversion from mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So this is our improper fraction and this is our mixed fraction. Okay, thank you very much.